Good morning. Today, while I'm waiting for the Essie Baker oven to get hot enough to cook the latest batch of sourdough bread, I thought I'd try this new contraption here, which I bought for myself. This is my birthday present this year. It's called a soil blocker. I bought a sieve to sieve out the soil that I'm going to trial. And I've never done it before. As you can see, everything's brand new. We'll see. I'll give it a go and I'll keep you I'll show little bits as I go because I don't really have anywhere to put the camera. So I'll come back to you and I'll also show you the stove. But while I'm here, I'll show you the wood that I'm using, which is really nice. It's really dense. But anyway, I have this whole wood shed that I've been putting the wood in. I've got the fire going in Jenga. And I'm going to try and get it hot enough to try baking the bread in there. Usually I bake it in the gas pizza oven, which has been very successful. But I'd like to cook it in the wood fire, you know, in the oven there. We'll see. I'll give it a go. Anyway, this is what I'm going to try first. I'm going to try some soil blocking. I have the tray, I have this plastic thing here to sieve out any hard stuff. Okay, bread's in the oven. I'm taking a break. As soon as I've sown a few seeds, I'm going to have a nice cup of coffee. Enjoy. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to put some seeds in this tray in these pretty dodgy soil blocks. And if they all fall to pieces, no worries. I'll just make a couple of trenches in the garden and maybe some seeds will come up. So nothing lost. I actually think that the mix that I was using didn't have enough fibrous content, and so it was very hard to sort of stay together. But maybe that's me just being the bad workman blaming the tools. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just a learner and I give things a go, and I'll give this a go as well. Put you down now and I'll sow some seeds. I think broccoli, cabbage, collie, all those little seeds. I'll pop one in the top of each of these blocks. So nothing really lost at all. And if the bread decides that the oven isn't hot enough, there's always chooks, and they will always appreciate it. I need a break from this. I guess there's a lot more I need to learn. And I'll show you what's happened. Take 7 and take 9. So here's the mess, the tray I've been doing it in. This one is take 7, which wasn't too bad actually. And this one was take 9. Am I just trying too hard? My arms are a bit achy. You got to pull up this silver bit first and then sort of put it onto the soil. I won't do it now because my hands are actually out of the gloves again. And then kind of give it a wiggle and then put it on the tray and gently let go. I tell you what, I think there's people that are a lot better at explaining this than I am. I've watched them all, and this is what I came up with, which wasn't kind of brilliant. Do you think I should try a tray with some seeds? I think I will. I think I'll try a tray with some seeds and we'll just see what happens. Let's go back now and have a look at the oven and see if it's hot enough to put the sourdough in. That I know how to cook. I'm dirty. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's okay. Grubby is okay. Oh, before I forget, the bread's cooking beautifully. I did end up putting some seeds in trays. I thought, why not? You know, worst case, I'll just throw the whole lot on the garden and it'll be fine. But before I forget, have a look at a YouTube channel called Garden Like a Viking. I have been binge watching this channel for the last week. I've watched these YouTubes, and now I have a microbial mix and I have a wood ash mix. I have sunchoke pesticide that I made, and I have soluble calcium that I made, all from this channel. And this guy, his name's Nate, seems to explain things in such a way that you can't help but think, wow, that is going to work really well. So I've just noticed I put the sunchoke insecticide on these greens yesterday because the cabbage moth is still around, but they don't seem to be able to settle on the plants. So I reckon that's, look at this, everything's doing really well. These are the the snow peas that were down there and now they're up there. I've put some seedlings in. What have we got here? Broccoli romanesca, broccoli umpqua, and broccoli waltham, and broccoli calabrese that I grew from organic open pollinated seeds. Not worth buying anything else really, because at least this way you can keep the seeds. Oh, let me show you the eggplant. I followed one of the YouTubes on Garden Like a Viking. There was a recipe there for doing fermented tomatoes. So as I had lots of little tomatoes, I did that. And then I thought, well, let's have a go with eggplant as well. These are eggplants. Chilies are powering along here. And this area here, I put on the microbial mix with some leaf mold and some chicken manure. And I've covered it all. I've soaked it all and covered it all. And that'll be ready for me to plant the garlic in autumn. So there you have it. Look at this. What a garden. Marvellous. What a bit of hard work will do, hey? Good morning. Today it's Good Friday. So it's also my birthday. So today on Good Friday I am 68 years old. So I thought I'd take you outside for a quick look around and wish you all a very happy Easter, whatever you might be doing. Now there's a storm coming and this is what it looks like. Who knows? Who knows? Hello chickens! Would you like some greens? Would you like some silver beet? Would you like some ruby chard? Here you are. Here. And this little white hen over here, this is Viddy. And she managed to hatch 2 eggs. And there they are. There's the little chickens in there. Now some people keep their mama hens and their chickens separate in a little separate cage and feed them special little chickie mix. But I don't do that. When the chicks are hatched, when they're a day old, I take them out of their cage over here where they hatch and put one in each pocket, walk over here and bring them in. She follows me and then from then on she's their mum. She teaches them what to eat and she keeps them safe. She parks them in long grass for a sleep or she sits down with them for a sleep. So she's a very good mum and that works for me. These are not what you'd call pet chickens actually, they're fossicking and foraging chickens. I haven't made any more of those soil blocks, but I did buy some a block of coir. I think that's coconut fibre that you buy in a big block and you soak it. So I'm going to do that and then I'm going to mix it with some of the lighter, sandier potting mix that I've got and see what I come up with then. We had that hot weather and now it's quite cool. The fires are light. And the apple trees are confused. The apple trees, for some reason, some of them are flowering. That's strange. That is strange. What do you do on your birthday? Well, what I do is have a chat to you. So I'm going to finish this video now. You guessed it, I am actually. I'm going to have some toast and I am going to have a nice cup of tea. So until next time, happy Easter everybody, happy birthday to me, and I'll talk to you again really soon. Okay, bye-bye, bye.